Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, ma ba'd, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My brothers and sisters in Islam and in humanity. It's your brother Adil Malik here from Muslim Council of Hong Kong. You're probably thinking, what am I doing now? Always doing something different. Alhamdulillah. We have another box of clothes to pack. MashaAllah, it's actually, if you can see this little chart, it says good deeds chart. Alhamdulillah. It's been made by our Making Moments children. So inshallah, this is another good deed we're doing. So I just thought I'll let you know again. As you know that we do a lot of charity work in terms of sending clothes and stuff like that. So we've got 4 more boxes that you can see over there. There's one at the back there, as you can see there, and there's 3 here. And it's the clothes over here. You can see over here. There. If you can see all the clothes here, right? And inshallah, I'll show you more inshallah that we're going to be sending. So these are all clothes that have been donated by our brothers and sisters in Islam, and these clothes are going to go to Philippines, inshallah. Everything that we do is definitely for the sake of Allah. MashaAllah, there's some interesting stuff. We try to, of course, make sure that we keep it as straightforward as possible. Brothers and sisters always send different things. These clothes, these stuff, even handbags, as you can see, this is a handbag that people donated. All of this stuff is going to be going to people in Philippines, in villages. And this is, I believe, is our 16th parcel, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong. But alhamdulillah, these are basically all by the fadl of Allah. People keep seeing the work that we're doing and they want to be part of it, right? You see different organizations doing it, the non-Muslim organization. And, for people like myself, I used to get like, why are we not doing it, right? Why are we not doing it? So, yeah, alhamdulillah, we've been doing this for about 2 or 3, I think for about 2 years now, alhamdulillah. You can see these people donated different things. That's the box there that we're filling up right now. We're hoping that we can send another of these boxes and things. MashaAllah, there's some belts here as well, some handbags, different things that people have donated. All of this, inshallah, we ask Allah to make it a means of people getting benefit out of this, inshallah, and a means of people continue to support those who are in need. Clothing people in Islam is a extremely virtuous deed. And most of the stuff, alhamdulillah, we are getting is actually good quality stuff as well. It's not like, sometimes people just give it away just because they're not wearing it. It might be they're not wearing it. But alhamdulillah, most of the stuff, alhamdulillah, you can see there's some shirts here, men's shirts, mashallah, that are good quality stuff. This is another shirt, alhamdulillah. We are just a platform. We are just a means of connecting the ones who can give to those who need. That's all we are trying to be. And we're trying to be as consistent as possible. Alhamdulillah. And it takes a lot of courage from for us to continue to do this, alhamdulillah. But we are so happy to be able to do this work. And we don't want Allah to stop us from this work. There's some shalwar kameez as well, some winter clothes, some summer clothes that we are sending. These are men clothes. This is what I mean, brothers and sisters. When we have Islamic organizations who are consistently doing work for the sake of Allah, Allah will provide for them from places that they can't even imagine. As MCHK, we are trying our best to do 3 things, as we say, which is our motto. One is to be able to educate people. And alhamdulillah, as you know, we do a lot of dawah work. And then it's about able to charity work, right? So let's see what's inside this bag. Inshallah, I'm assuming, I think, yeah. Let's see. Bismillah. Bear with me. Shoes. Interesting. What I will do is I will just put this bag as I got it, because we don't want to affect the other clothing, inshallah. So we'll just put this like this. Hopefully it won't affect the things too much. But yeah, I'm just gonna, let's see, maybe it'll be better if I do the other way, inshallah. So yeah, brothers and sisters, you know, wherever you're watching us from, continue to support people who are trying to support in need, the people in need, because when we do that, then inshallah Allah will send more and more and more barakah to us. We want people to be able to support dawah work and to be able to support work that's helping people in need. Isn't that right? So that's what we are trying to do, alhamdulillah. Let us know where you're watching us from as well, so that we can see what kind of support we are getting. And like this video. I don't know if you can. I think you can, right? I'm just filling the box right now, as I had time before Maghrib. I thought, why not do something good? As it says here, good deeds chart, alhamdulillah. But the Fahim, I just saw you starting watching as well. So these are shoes that people have donated. So this is what I mean. Like we don't say no to anything, pretty much, right? We want people to donate anything they want, and we try to keep it as respectful as possible. Of course, we assume when the people get the stuff, they will wash it or whatnot, inshallah. But these things that we take it for granted, we are giving it out so that other people get benefit, inshallah. Yeah, mashallah, MSA of HKU. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you guys, man. Get involved in dawah more, brothers and sisters. Inshallah, we'll support you as much as we can. So some of the stuff that you see here is also from organizations like All for Hong Kong. They did a very good drive, alhamdulillah. May Allah bless them. Where they really promoted, and a lot of people gave to them. Even Chinese organizations like Chinese Muslim Women's Association, they got involved and they gave a lot of work as well. Okay, let me just finish this up. Yeah, brothers and sisters, I'm going to be ending this here because I'm running out of breath as well. And I want to get this done as much as possible. So yeah, brothers and sisters, get involved in charity work, get involved in dawah work, because as we know, we need every single good deed as we can, right? Let's not procrastinate. Let's not think, with only 1, 2, 3 people. You do the action, wallahi, Allah will put barakah in it. Shaitan wants us to stop work just because we think that we don't have the facility, we don't have the resources. Yeah, sometimes we don't. But where there's a will, there's a way, right? So alhamdulillah, we are doing this charity work as much as possible. We're doing the dawah work, as you can see at the center, as much as possible. Keep us in your du'as. Support us as much as you can in your donations as well, inshallah. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you all. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept every single thing that we do for His sake and purify our intentions. Jazakallah khair for watching. Brother Waqas, I'm out. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.